guy's favorite thing, I bet.
Well, I'm a girl. I don't burp. That's so disgusting. Like, who does that?
You.
Me!
I said see.
Totally.
You guys, Diet Coke works the best for sure.
Yeah.
Yes, it is. I like pizza. Pizza. XOXO. OMG. What up?
Oh my gosh. It's a call from Nevada. Hello? Okay. They said to keep my burp down.
What up?
She said what up.
Ooh, ooh, ooh. Summer. Oh, we don't want to see that.
Watch this, guys.
Ah! She drank it up on the table. She's so disgusting. Ooh.
What? I can't do it anymore. Hello, I'm Scottish. Hello, I'm England. I'm full of caffeine.
Okay, let's do it again. Let's go. Come on.
I'm a man, I'm a man, I'm a man.
Wait.
I am a man of power. I am an alien. I'm an alien from outer space.
Caffeine in my body. Caffeine in my body. Look, 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 look. I'm stuck in a box. Stuck in a box. Drink so much soda! I'm full of like caffeine!
I'm a bird. I'm a bird. I'm a bird.
Hi guys, my name is like Summer, like duh, I'm the bomb. So, right now I'm like face painting my face. Like, and my favorite color is like purple and red. Like, can't you tell by my face? And I love my beautiful long hair. Like, look at it. It grew in like seconds. Like Jack and the Beanstalk. Isn't that so crazy? Oh, and by the way, I love flowers and burping. Because, like, I'm one of those people, you know?
Hey guys, I'm a man. I like to do manly things like hitting on girls.
Oh, they look so delicious. Guys, welcome to McDonald's. Would you like some fresh fries?